Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering proof and tools: a recovery email or phone, a device you used to sign in, and the last password you remember. Once done, open accounts. Google, com and choose Find My Account or Forgot Password. These trigger Google's verification flow. Make sure to use the same device and network where possible because Google uses signals to validate you. If prompted, select recovery options in order: phone, email, then security questions, entering details slowly and accurately to maximize success. You now verify identity through the most secure available method. Google will ask for codes, device approval, or account details. When a code arrives, enter it immediately. Codes often expire quickly, so have your phone ready. If two-factor authentication blocks you, use backup codes or the Authenticator app. If those are unavailable, choose Try Another Way and supply historical account info like creation date or recent email recipients. This layered approach reduces false rejections because Google weights recent, specific evidence heavily during automated review. You finish by choosing a strong new password and updating any apps that use the account. This prevents relockouts. Then review recovery contacts, two-step verification, and connected devices, removing anything unfamiliar. If Google still denies access, don't repeat failing attempts quickly. Wait 24 to 72 hours and try again with precise historical answers and the same device. A key troubleshooting tip: if automated recovery fails, gather as much account history as possible before retrying, because consistency and specificity are what convince the system you are the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.